В этом году произошло знаковое событие, как мы считаем, для всего российского рынка и рынка СНГ. Мы подписали дистрибьюторское соглашение с компанией SAFRAN.
I'm Nabor Benini, I'm a vice president of a company, CURTI, and here we are to present a new product, this new helicopter. The name is Zefhir, and is quite unique because it's just not only an elegant designed helicopter by Italian style, but also is a powerful and innovative due to the fact that this small helicopter
We are here in early Russia, guest of HELIATICA, and in partnership with the SAFRAN helicopters to present in Russia this our beautiful two-seater helicopter. And I'm very glad to be here, and it's a very nice exhibition, a lot of people, and a very focused expo on helicopters.